Hey everybody, have you ever been so angry that you didn't know what to say? Well, today we are going to learn 8 angry idioms that will help you express that anger. And later, we're going to do a little quiz to see if you are, in fact, an angry idiom master. Okay, let's get at it. Blow a fuse. To become very angry very suddenly. When he found out about the missing report, he blew a fuse. When someone blows a fuse, it's like they can't handle any more stress and they explode. It's like with an electrical fuse box. It can't handle any more electricity, so it blows a fuse. Seeing red. Seeing red, to become so angry that you can't focus on anything else. When she insulted me, I started seeing red. This comes from bullfighting, right? When the bull sees the red cape, it snarls and gets angry. So the bull can only focus on the red, on the anger, nothing else. Seeing red. Hit the roof. To react with extreme anger. When my parents found out I wrecked the car, they hit the roof. Now, I don't know where this comes from, but just imagine that you are getting angrier and angrier. Your anger is rising until it hits the roof and you explode. So, hit the roof, increasing anger until you explode or pop. Foaming at the mouth. Being so angry you lose control. When he found out his computer had crashed, he was foaming at the mouth. He lost all his data. Now, where does this come from? Foam coming out of your mouth. All right, well, which animal? This comes from actually dogs and rabid dogs. When you have rabies, you foam from the mouth, right? Crazed, angry, rabid dogs. So when you are foaming at the mouth, you are acting kind of crazy angry, a little bit scary. Fly off the handle. To lose your temper all of a sudden. So be careful what you say to her. She tends to fly off the handle. She gets angry very suddenly. She's very erratic. So this comes from an axe. So when you're chopping a tree, you have a loose handle. All of a sudden, the axe flies off the handle, right? So it's getting very angry, very suddenly, very erratic personality, flies off the handle. Boiling point, the moment where anger or tension becomes too much to handle. His patience had reached its boiling point, and he finally yelled at the team. He snapped. So this comes from boiling water. So it's heated, and all of a sudden it starts to bubble and boil, right? And the energy, the steam is released. So it's very similar to hitting the roof, boiling point. Bite someone's head off to respond to someone in a very angry way. Hey, I was just trying to help. Don't bite my head off. So this basically comes from literally biting someone in anger, but you are using words, not teeth, right? You're snapping at them. You're biting someone's head off. Kind of a weird expression now that I think about it. Up in arms. Becoming very angry and protesting strongly. The community was up in arms about the road being closed for 2 weeks. Now, arms, that can mean two things, right? Obviously, your arms, but arms is also weapons. So this comes from way back when people would get angry, they would go and collect weapons, arms. Now, that's not really what it means now, although sometimes people still do go get weapons. It's more about a community of people, a group of people getting together and being very angry about something, right? Protesting, up in arms. Now, I don't use this for one person. I don't say he was up in arms. This is used for a group of people, to describe a group of people, their reaction. So use that for a group of people, more than two. Quiz time. Are you an angry idiom master? When he found out about the missing report, he blew a fuse. He snapped. He got very angry very suddenly. Question 2. Which activity is associated with the origin of the phrase seeing red? Bullfighting. When the bull sees the red cape, it sees red, gets very angry. Question 3. What animal is associated with the expression foaming at the mouth? A rabid dog, a crazed rabid dog. All right, that is it. That wraps it up. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Okay, take care.